Hi, this is Jania from LexisNexis. Let me show you how to use Lexis CourtLink to help you quickly find clients who are in need of your help. In CourtLink, you can set a nature of suit alert so that you can quickly spot potential clients in the area of law that matters to you. Check it out, it's easy. So, first, select the court system where you would be interested in targeting for a little bit more potential clientele. And then scroll down and select the natures of suit that you'd be interested in focusing in. Say you're interested in looking more into the business interruption area of law. I think a good nature of suit target might be maybe contract or insurance or both. And remember, your alerts are fully customizable, fully editable as well. And then from there, maybe deselect the closed category. And at this point, you can really set your alert right now. Really super easy to do. Just click Create Alert. Name your alert so it'll be relevant and recognizable when it comes into your inbox, that this is your new business alert. You can do the same thing for description. And then as far as delivery, you have options as far as daily, every business daily. One good rule of thumb might be you could set it for the end of the business day so that you could capture all of the court's activity at the end of the day. That way you have a full list for the next morning. You can hop right on it the next morning. And then if you have anybody assisting you, maybe a paralegal, administrative assistant, you can enter that user's name as well and add that individual so that he or she can also get that alert. So, maybe get some help with generating your mailing list. And then just click the button to create the alert. And you're done. Sit back and wait for the new business to roll into your inbox. And then bankruptcy attorneys. I've got one more great way to identify to help you learn more about potential clients as well. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see that there's a quick way to learn more about a new client's litigation history. Just pop in maybe just even the last name of the potential new client and an EIN number or the last four digits of their social security number. And you can actually run a search across all bankruptcy courts or even all courts to see what a potential client's litigation footprints are. And it's really just that simple. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any other questions, just click the link below.